So I watched all of the videos on Instagram affiliate marketing here on YouTube, and they all go something like this. Create a new faceless account in something like manifestation. Use an AI tool to create a bunch of AI images or videos. Go to ClickBank and find a random affiliate offer. Add that link into your bio, make a few $100, and that's about it. Now we all know that this is bull. Once again, if anyone can do it in 5 minutes, there's no way you're going to stand out or actually generate consistent revenue. So what do you actually do? Well, if you have an Instagram, or you want to make money on Instagram or make money with affiliate marketing, this is the legit video you need to know on how this business actually works so you can make money once and for all. And if you want to join me in learning how we're building profitable online businesses in 2024, click the link in the description below. Give you access to everything you need to get started once and for all. So let's take a look at how Instagram marketing is supposed to work. So you're scrolling through, you find this post on freeze dryers, right? You're, oh, that's interesting. A freeze dryer. You put food in, it freezes, you save it for later. It's like the homesteading niche. So you have to, you see this, she has a link to an actual article here, but in this case, clickable link in bio. So then we have to go to the bio, we find the bio, we go to the clickable link, we click that link, it brings up more stuff, and then we have to click another link, and then it takes us to the website, and then we click another link, and then that's the affiliate link. So there were a total of 4 to 5 clicks before we actually got to a product page, and then we have to click a bunch more times to buy something. Well, let's say you're scrolling through Instagram and you see this gaming PC. So like we see this gaming one, the most powerful laptop on the market. Interesting, link is in the bio. Let's click that one. So we see this is his profile here. Then we click the link in the bio and it pulls this up, and then there's his latest YouTube videos and other links. And then if we wanted something, these are all affiliate links. So if I wanted that, I would click this link here, and then it takes me to, it should be an affiliate link to Best Buy to buy the product. So that's pretty much how it works. You get people to see your reels or your images, you have a clickable link in your bio, and then from your bio, you click out to the actual products. Now with Instagram, there's a couple of key problems with this when it comes to affiliate marketing, things they don't tell you in all those fancy get rich quick scheme videos. And that is people buy things through affiliate marketing in 2 ways. Either they're searching for something that they actually want, so there's search intent behind it. So they search on Google or YouTube for that specific product that they want and then watch something or read something and buy it. That's where most affiliate revenue comes from. Or they have to know, like, and trust you as an actual creator on Instagram to buy something from you through your affiliate link. It's very rare, based on the numbers game here, that somebody is going to find that random article, just decide to choose to click the link in your bio, then decide to choose to click that affiliate link and then purchase something right then. So on Instagram, it is possible. There's just some problems with the strategy. So first, you kind of have to go viral to make money. Because of the numbers game, the posts have to get a ton of views and visibility to get a random scroller, a passive scroller, ready to click something, click your bio, and buy. So we're talking like millions of views on an image or reel in order to make decent money. Second, you have to publish a lot of content. So you have to get ones to go viral. You have to build a true audience of people that know, like, and trust you, and post stuff pretty much every day on Instagram for this to work. You also have to post other types of stuff. You can't just only post affiliate content over and over and over again like they might recommend in the other videos. You need to create helpful informational content, post it consistently, and then add in some product-based ones. And we know we don't really have full control over this meta Instagram algorithm and what actually will be served there. Third problem is Instagram is horrible for searching. Their search feature just sucks. They just added some type of AI thing to it, but it is nowhere near as good as Google or YouTube as a search engine, which is how most affiliate revenue is made. And again, there's too much friction. So 5+ clicks just to get to that product page. But it's kind of a sad state of affairs when you're looking at the actual strategy here on YouTube. If I YouTube search Instagram affiliate marketing, it's $27,000 a month using ChatGPT, $1,000 a month with Instagram, $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing, $1,700 a day, the first 100 exact method. The only Instagram video for beginners, $32,000. So, it's one of those things that it's easy to promise, like, oh, create a bunch of Instagram reels with ChatGPT and a bunch of fake little baby angel videos about motivation, and it's like a lot of work when you think about some of these things. It's like publish every single day, create AI avatars and create AI images and then do voiceovers to it and splice this together in a timeline. It's like, it might just be easier just to film yourself talking or something. So a lot of the strategies here, again, much like most things when you search for affiliate marketing on YouTube, is going to be the promise, the overnight success, the get rich quick schemes, which unfortunately people click on. The algorithm rewards it because a bunch of young people click on that stuff, but it just doesn't work. So if you want to go down the road of affiliate marketing on Instagram, it's pretty simple. You would have an Instagram account, publish a lot of lifestyle, helpful content for people, how-to engaging stuff. So for example, that freeze dryer one on homesteading, you could have a lot of lifestyle content around like bread making and preserving food and recipes and things that you do in your home and all of those things in that niche, and then drop in some of those more affiliate focused Instagram posts. You know, you can do it 1 out of 10 times, do a product-based roundup thing. Put affiliate links in your bio like they did. Like that girl, I'm not knocking her. She's doing really well. She has 124,000 followers, but she's doing it right? She has a ton of interesting posts about homesteading, and then she's linking to her bio and doing it that way. Now you can add up to like 3 affiliate links. I don't say you add like 10 in there, but like keep it simple. If you're in homesteading, you could do like the freeze dryer, a solar power bank, a bread maker, some of like the top recommended products that are just easy to click on for your audience once they know and trust you. And at one point in the past, I used like Link Genie for this. Pretty simple. You can edit what the links are. Like you see, I don't have any affiliate links here because I know it doesn't work that well. I was selling my own product through this. And then just linking to the YouTube channel. But you can optimize the text on these buttons, right? So you can have images, you can have buttons. You can say, hey, get 30% off, add your affiliate link discounts into the text so that they know through your affiliate link you're getting a commission. You want to disclose it too, right? So if it is an affiliate link, you should say it, but you should also promote the discount so that people know they're getting a deal. And the strategy with affiliate marketing is the same as doing it on Google or YouTube or Instagram or TikTok. You have to join affiliate programs and get the links. It's really simple. You sign up, you get your link, you add it in. You see then in your dashboard how many sales and commissions you generated. It's a really simple process. The hard part, again, is just getting consistent views on your content in enough, high volume in order to generate consistent revenue every month. Now, if we're going to elevate the conversation a little bit to go above what a lot of other people are talking about, we have to think about, well, what is the best way to make money with Instagram, with social media, with short videos, with TikTok, with YouTube, all of that stuff? Well, like any business nowadays, it needs multiple revenue streams, not just one, because that brings diversification and stability. So the revenue streams are, first, affiliate marketing. We don't have a product to sell yet. It makes sense to have that Linktree link in there when we're just starting out. Selling your own product will come down the line, especially if you're in a niche and you're teaching, right? So we want to create an account on Instagram where we can actually teach in a certain niche, or at least do things and learn and teach, and then eventually sell your own product. So it's really about creating a mini course in your niche and using that as the main link eventually on Instagram, because that is more money to you, right? You're not getting a 10% commission on a product. You're getting 100% commission on your own product. So you can create a mini course, a video course. If you're already creating a real content, you can just create a simple course in any niche, right? It doesn't matter if you play the piano or the keyboard, or you do woodworking or crocheting, or you teach people how to do sales. People will pay for information from an expert, specifically from you. So really your Instagram content is amazing. Your YouTube content's amazing. You give away everything. So the course is the community, the accountability, and then the implementation. So all the content's great on your Instagram. You can let them consume it all, the YouTube videos, but your actual product that you sell is going to be the implementation and community that people will pay for. So you can start with your affiliate links in the bio, swap them out to your own stuff when eventually you're selling your own product. And then really it's about getting traffic from all sources. So from Instagram, every post has link in bio type of text in it to make sure that they understand what you're selling. And then you want to send all of your traffic to a single opt-in page. So that link in your Instagram and your YouTube description and TikTok bio, on your website, everywhere, can go to a single opt-in page, into a lead magnet, into an email list, right? So you're providing something for free, like get my free, instead of just saying, hey, buy my course immediately and putting that in the link in bio, you would just say, get my free PDF checklist for this or that, right? So they enter their email address, email one, you send them that actual offer. So a simple PDF, a checklist, something that's helpful in your niche. All right, I ran for a while with just a simple PDF WordPress blog launch checklist. I got someone to do it on Fiverr. Really simple. I added text in, and it was easy. And I ran with that until I built my email list to like 40,000 subscribers. I didn't sell anything. I was just kind of priming people and giving away as much information as I could for free. So on the opt-in page, you have a headline, like a transformational statement about what they get, a few bullet points about what they get into your email list. So now you've gone from algorithm, from the Instagram or YouTube algorithm, into ownership. Now you have their email address and you can message them, right? So we've gone from the algorithm, something we don't control, to something that now we do control. So I also have full videos on this, like how to actually get them from email list to buying your own product. I'm not gonna cover everything in this one video, but it's a good strategy here. You can also do on Instagram, like some people do, comment with a word. So they post an image, comment with the word something, and I'll send you my guide. And then they use a tool like ManyChat that will auto DM everybody that comments that word on any of the posts. So they're getting auto DM'd a link to that same opt-in page. So it's another way to build more opt-ins and sell your own product on Instagram. So this comes down to a consistent content strategy, helping people in a niche, doing it a lot over the course of time, building a true personal brand, right? And maybe not just doing Instagram. You have to do multiple things. Maybe you have a website with the Instagram or a YouTube channel for longer form content. You have to elevate yourself above all the noise and the crap and the AI hacks and all of that stuff if you actually want to build a real business. Takes longer, but that's the truth. And I guarantee this video won't go as viral as the ones that say make $27,000 overnight. But you need to build trust to get people to buy things or click your affiliate links. You shouldn't promote products you've never used on ClickBank, right? It just doesn't make sense. Better option is to teach in a niche, add some affiliate links in, create a YouTube channel, get ads, ad revenue, sponsorship revenue, affiliate revenue, sell your own product, actually help people. This is how we've made $4 million in profit last year and continuing to do so into the future. You want to expand, you want to do it the right way. So if you're interested in learning more, there's a lot more nuanced information, right, than one YouTube video will share. Make sure to click the link in the description below and we'll send you all the resources so you can get started once and for all. I hope you found this video interesting. I have like 100,000 and some odd followers on Instagram. We don't use it a ton. Most of my affiliate revenue was through Google, some through YouTube, places where people actually search for stuff. So let me know if you have any questions though on Instagram affiliate marketing. Check out other videos on my channel. Please like it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.